Hello, this is Mrs. Smith. I'm going to do a tutorial on the mass of an atom since that's consistently been one of our lowest objectives. I'm going to start off with pen. If you notice, I have the P in pen capitalized and the N in pen capitalized, but the E in pen is lowercase because protons and neutrons are the same size. They have the same mass. They have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit or AMU. Electrons I put with the lowercase e because they're so small we don't even include their mass in the atom. So we're going to say they're 0. Okay. Y'all have done great on location of particles, so you know that protons and neutrons are inside the nucleus. Electrons are outside in the electron cloud or the rings. So if protons have a mass and neutrons have a mass, but electrons don't have a mass, if I want to get the mass of the total atom, I add the proton, which in this case would be 1, plus the neutron in this case would be 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. The mass of this atom is 2. Now let's do something a little different. Let's look at ape. Ape says that the atomic number equals the number of protons equals the number of electrons. So protons is my atomic number. Okay. Man says that the mass number minus the atomic number equals the neutrons. So if I go backwards, the neutrons plus the atomic number, which is the protons, is also going to give me the mass of an atom. Okay. Some of you all got confused. Neutrons are not equal to protons and electrons. Sometimes it may happen, but not very often. So let's say I'm going to build the atom beryllium here. Beryllium is atomic number 4, so it has 4 protons. The mass of beryllium is 9. Okay, so keeping that in mind, beryllium has 4 protons. 1, 2, 3, 4. It told me the mass was 9, so 9 minus 4 gives me 5. That means it must have 5 neutrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now if I count the particles in the atom, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Beryllium has a mass of 9. The periodic table told me that beryllium has a mass of 9. The bottom number is a mass number. But be careful. If they give you a picture of the atom, don't go off the periodic table and find the mass. Make sure you count the particles in the nucleus if you can for the mass. Because sometimes neutrons can change. I can add some neutrons to the atom. And this is still beryllium because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 protons. 4 protons is always beryllium. I can't identify by neutrons. So now beryllium's mass is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The periodic table shows beryllium is 9. That's why these mass numbers are a decimal point. That's just the average mass of beryllium. So on the periodic table, if it asks you for the mass, there you go. On the test, if they give you a picture and they ask for the mass, you need to count the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. One more thing, the reason why we don't count the electrons, because beryllium in a neutral atom also has 4 electrons, 2 on the first ring, the other 2 on the second ring. We don't count the electrons in the mass because remember, electrons don't have a mass. Hope it makes it better for you.